Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to talk about the angles formed by a secant line and a tangent line. Okay, ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng secant and tangent line? Line AB is considered a secant line. Bakit? Kasi na-meet nung line natin yung circle at 2 points wherein we have point A and point B. Now, ano naman yung tangent line? Yung tangent line, nami-meet niya yung circle at 1 point. In this case, we have line CD at yung point of tangency nila ay eto, yung point B. Okay? So, tandaan, pag secant, nami-meet yung circle sa 2 points. Pero pag tangent, sa 1 point lang. Yung intersection, ang tawag doon ay point of tangency. Now, since mapapansin niyo, yung vertex ng angle na na-form ay nasa circle, para siyang inscribed angle, di ba? Okay, so we will use the idea of the inscribed angle and intercepted arc. And alam naman natin na yung intercepted arc equal siya sa twice ng inscribed angle. In this case, ito yung angle natin, dodoblehin natin siya to get the intercepted arc. So, missing tayo ng arc AB. Okay? Now, let's have our working equation. We have the intercepted arc, which is the measure of arc AB equal siya sa twice. Anong angle meron tayo? Angle ABB. So, we have the measure of angle ABB. Okay? So, this will be 2 times. What is the measure of angle ABB? We have 40. 2 times 40, we have 80. So, the measure of arc AB is equal to 80. So, we have here 80. Okay? Nagets ba? Sobrang dali naman to, di ba? Now, kung nag-gets itong example na to, you try to solve for this. Ano kaya yung value ng x natin, which is arc AB? Given kayo ng angle ABD, which is 55 degrees. Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!